Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khadija Munawwar and yeah. So basically for today's video I will be recording Lacoste MU1's day 2. I do not have footage of day 1 because I was lazy, so I didn't record. But I will record day 2 and I'll show you the vlog. So I'll record today and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Drop the bass.
The Cosman Got Talent.
It's funny how you miss me more than you could ever love me. How you couldn't give me.
So we were taking pictures over here and Anush, who is the member of EC for Lacoste MU1,
and I'm supposed to tell people to shut the fuck up.
and she was, well, we all were screaming while we were taking pictures over here, and then someone came up and told us to shut the fuck up.
Hi.
Sorry, auntie.
To discuss the violations of human rights in regards to the freedom of expression granted to journalists.
ना पानी देते हैं हमें ना कुछ हमारे उसके लिए आते भी नहीं है वो इस कमरे में
बड़ी स्क्रीन पे आ रही
चलो मामा को चलो को फोन करो मामा को
Reports of gender business violence increased 36% between 2016 and 2017.
Yeah, so like 10 seconds चुप करेंगे तो 10 सेकंड की बोले बता देंगे और उसके बाद अच्छा उसके बाद if you feel कि they're not being quite productive.
It's an IT verb, IT. It's a very strict chair.
The delegate is so cute.
कौन सा delegate?
Delegate. So delegate, can you repeat your concern regarding the break?
Yes, I just wanted to know that will the upcoming committee session time be altered or not, because we're not going to have our breaks, right?
I'll try my best to fit a break for you.
पानी फिर जाना is so important. A mission. Let's follow Nyash around the school or college or whatever. तुम अभी भी चिल कर रही हो न्याश की शक्ल नहीं अच्छी
कर नहीं रही हूँ बट मैं परेशान तो हूँ ना कुछ काम साथ वर्क
Oh my god.
Off track, we don't want you, because we are fixing this in the place of your break. So encompass everything that you feel cannot be or has not been entertained in as mods, but is imperative for substantial working people. All right.
You make a framework. ठीक है, for example, you make a framework. For example, real, REAL. You say from R, this. From E, this. And from A and L. You guys go on giving them certain, explanation regarding how you're going to implement a certain policy to eradicate the crisis that is already present. Because of like A, O, U, and on.
You can't make a framework of my name, can you?
Yeah, you can do that. I'll absolutely.
सबसे self control कर रही है इस बार. How old are you?
25.
I told Shreyab to please a code de do, and he was like, why would I want to switch my code with you? Like ye wala code. And she was talking about a quote.
I literally have no quote.
Just think of what can you think of right now?
Nothing.
Just write down nothing.
My brain is empty.
Just write that down. My brain is empty.
So pretty. क्या हुआ?
देखो, finally your hands on it, how preciously you're holding your little baby. Yeah. Do you have something to say to my vlog?
Let me think of something.
Okay. Abhiya is thinking.
Your brain empty too. Do you want to sleep?
That was me during CIEs, you know. Yeah, you know. Okay.
Everything I know.
That is me every day. Like
Same.
even if I sleep 8 hours, I still need sleep.
Yeah, that is true. Same.
I'm sleep deprived even though I'm not.
Abhiya, have you thought of something?
No. Deeply analyzing.
Yeah, okay. अभी क्या हुआ है, हाँ हमारी जो कमेटी है सॉकम, उसमें हमारी लेट ब्रेक हुई थी, तो अब हमारी वो ख़त्म भी लेट हो गई और सब कुछ शुरू हो गई है. So now we're bored. That's why we're recording in a washroom.
Probably we're gonna have to stay back after 9.
Yeah, I don't wanna.
I'm gonna be more sleep deprived than I actually am.
Yeah. But how do you feel about your committee's speeches? That is such a fake. That is so fake. They are very stale.
I mean, it's good, but
They could be better. Like at least they like tell the truth.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love how you're trying to be like not. So what did you write in your quote for the day?
I forgot. Let me remember क्या था. Yes, my brain is empty and I need to sleep.
That is me. Literally every single second of my life.
Yeah, same. That is why I wrote it. Because that's the first thing that came to my mind.
Yeah. They were like write a quote, and she was like, but my brain's empty.
Actually, in the beginning, I thought she was asking for a quote. Like,
The actual quote?
Yeah. And I was like, what?
Oh my god, that's what the Riyadh thought as well.
Yeah. And then she already had a quote on. I was like, why do you need two quotes?
Oh my god. So did you finish your? Oh, you didn't even eat your biryani, did you?
No.
Where did you do with it?
I think I left it somewhere.
In मुझे लगता है उस room में UNSC वाले में.
The room that shall not be mentioned.
UNSC for everyone.
Can't even tell I'm smiling.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not smiling.
Like you can't even tell when I'm smiling.
Am I or am I not?
Yes, you are. Your eyes
actually, I
are. See, oh my god, I'm such a what do you call it, detective. Hi. You're दिमागी तौर पे फारिग.
Yes, I am दिमागी तौर पे फारिग.
Are you making the vlog?
Yeah.
Am I being featured?
Yeah. Fake ना हो तो fake तरीन.
मुझे भी सांस लेने दो.
मुझे लेने दिए. एक सेकंड के लिए. तुम तो भाग गए. तुम भाग गए. इतना हमें गुस्सा चढ़ा. भागा. He literally he ran out of the place. And he showed up 1 hour
You
later.
guys, I have work. Okay?
Oh, इतना busy हो. Oh my god.
कौन मेरे लिए कोई कोड लिख सकता है? Okay.
मतलब वो भी नहीं खुद कर सकते.
मैंने लोगों नीचे लगाया, मैं कोई काम नहीं करता.
और या तो मैंने अपना कत्ल कर देना या मैंने तुम्हारा कर देना.
Then that just sounds better. Is your heart broken, Isha? It's your fault.
I don't know. I unintentionally hit his heart.
There might be in the future that there are two-nature blocks. Okay.
Block was formed by Saudi Arabia, but eventually another block was formed which essentially supported the GCC initiative, and these blocks merged, forming around the 20 block, which we consider as the Gilbert block. It contains countries such as US, KSA, the G10 countries as well as countries from the GCC. And that is essentially our stance. On the other hand, we have
One is one block is the one that is like a pro Hati block. The Hati
Spain thought that we are providing Iran with jet and weapons which are being given to the Houthis. So we have proven that if we find solid evidence about this happening, we will consider stopping it. That was like the justice and measure was there to inform.
Okay. So we'll be expecting 2 working papers in the morning. Now, solutions, you'll be mentioning your framework form back as well.
Okay, what was the basic?
Because Spain ने अपनी speech में
Like good.
Okay, good.
session हो रहा है.
To raise this motion, and like I have to go home, but I'm like just sitting for an entertainment session now.
Let's insult on together.
Yes, please.
I agree.
Let's please.
Iman agrees.
North
I
Korea, do
agree.
you know the consequences of this shit?
Are you threatening? There will be no technical issues the next day. The next day, technical issues.
Happy birthday, dear Aiden. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
We're gonna
अच्छा, so
Have it,
सबने
delegates
म्यूट
हैं.
किया है? Anush, this is Anush, right? Israel. Okay. So इसको ना कहो कि कौन सा गाना गाना?
whatever she feels comfortable.
कौन सा जो भी आपने गाना गाना आप गा लो.
घर की चैट जो बात है.
I'm using my brain cells.
You're too good for him.
I am back and now I have to edit the newsletter. Not newsletter, but basically my section for UNSC and SOCM. And I have to edit that. I do have a rough draft right now, but I have to like punctuate it and cut down on stuff. So I'll do that, and yeah. I have a rough draft for both of them, but I wrote them a lot because I have a lot of content for today. So I need to cut it down. Even yesterday for the day 1 newsletter, I tried to cut down as much as I could, but mine was still the longest. Like I was covering SOCM and I was the longest. So right now I need to edit those out. That is so sad.
Oh yes.
I'm disappointed in the casting.
बजट बस 12 लाख. उसमें भी अच्छा खाना नहीं आया.
हम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. They're so good.
Do not say that. They're so good.
नहीं देखो हम लोग बारिश कम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है.
How do you feel, Alicia, after being exhausted? So, oh, you don't feel sentimental at all?
I love the cast candidate. I love it. इतना बड़ा बैग उठा के जाना पड़ेगा. वो किस तरह जा
तो
रहे
तुम
हो? ये तो टूटने लगा है बाजू. हाँ नहीं लेके जाना पड़ेगा साथ.
यार एक तो उबर वगैरह भी कराएंगे और साथ ऑन की गाड़ी है और देखते हैं किसी और की गाड़ी.
I'm going to stick with you. I don't
Okay.
care. हमारे बाप
भाई की बर्थडे doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
That's so sad.
मुझे किसी ने वैलिडेशन दी मेरे सेक्रेटरी जनरल को.
What happened, Mustafa?
मैं बैठा हुआ अपनी टांग के ऊपर और मुझे फील नहीं हो रही है. बहुत फील हो रही है. खुद हो रही है.
Hi, Vasim.
मुझे चला नहीं जा रहा है. गाड़ी में आए हैं.
हाँ बहुत बहुत.
धूम 3 वाला सीन करके आ रहे हैं.
No idea.
That's so creepy. That is so creepy.
ये ईमान की सीट है ईमान
बस इन आवर हार्ट्स
मेरी बन रही है मेरा बैग मेरे पास
वो जौहर टाउन गए हैं उन्होंने कहा था वो आ रहे हैं मैंने उनसे कहा था ठीक है now we're having food we're not having food no we're ordering food at Dera everyone's here Arooj ka fast food and Iman claims that she's a better vlogger.
I'm a better vlogger because I have uncountable subscribers.
कहाँ पे है ज़मीन तो करे अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स का नाम
मैं बहुत फेमस हूँ तो मैं चेक नहीं करती कि कौन कौन किसको सब्सक्राइब Yes, that's something you guys should know. Please don't subscribe to my channel because I don't need your subscribers.
because she doesn't have a channel. Happy birthday dear Ayate. Happy birthday to
Mickey Mouse and cooking, bro. Mickey Mouse and cooking.
You're failing us.
Arooj is It's not that
We're gonna play Clear Detective now. And they're making chips. They're making chips. कितने लोग हैं?
Let's mind boggle.
Food's here.
check it out
Nice. There's an imposter. It was scripted. yes, it was. It was staged. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then nothing. Bye.